Welcome to a guided meditation for people with active minds. Now, I know that I am best known for affirmation recordings, but I'm also a big proponent of meditation. I've been meditating off and on probably since I was in high school. However, that does not mean that I have perfected this practice, not by a long shot. Like you, my mind is inclined to wander, to start going down rabbit holes of thought. And so I wanted to create this guided meditation to help you with that little mental hurdle. And if you're listening to this for the first time, I encourage you to listen to this entire introduction. It's not long, but it explains exactly what my purpose is here. Now, if you come back for subsequent listenings, which I hope you do, you can just fast forward to where the actual meditation begins. So I learned a long time ago that the best way to approach meditation is not to think of it as you reaching some sort of a nirvana state every time you sit and meditate. The real purpose is just to give yourself the space and the time to sit and relax and do your best to quiet your mind, relax your body, and I guess in a way cleanse the palate so that you're better able to take on the activities of your day and your life. So you don't have to experience a completely empty mind to get a lot out of meditation. However, I have noticed that when I can quiet my thoughts, when I can just sit in that space and not wander down the path of every random idea that comes up, it's very soothing. And I find that I'm a lot more productive when I can reach those states more often. And sometimes you just get a glimmer of them, and then you're back to thought, and you're back to quiet and silence. And so that's the purpose of this recording, is to help you reach those moments, whether they're just a few seconds or 20 seconds or a full minute. However long, it doesn't matter. As long as you're spending time doing the best that you can to clear your mind. So something that's helped me is when I'm guided by someone who regularly checks in and helps redirect my attention back to the present moment, back to my breath, back to letting those thoughts go. Because like I said, I'm just as prone as anyone to find myself a couple of minutes into a meditation and I'm simply going over my to-do list or reminiscing about something that happened in the past, etc. So here's how we're going to do this. I'm going to give you space to sit, relax, to quiet your mind, and periodically I'm going to come back in and just remind you to return to the present moment, just in case you've gotten off track. I'm going to start off giving you about 30 seconds and come back in. And throughout the recording, I'll give you more and more time, 10 extra seconds, 15 extra seconds, until toward the end, you're going to have a full minute or so before I come back in. So I hope you find this as helpful as I have in quieting the mind and just returning to your breath, returning to this present moment, and just letting any thoughts that creep up just drift off to the side, like clouds flowing by in the sky. So let's start by taking a long, slow, deep breath in and out. Get in a comfortable position and get ready to treat yourself to this little oasis of peace. I'll give you about 30 seconds before I return to see where you are. Relax. Just in case your mind wandered, return to your breath, return to the present moment, and let any thoughts just drift away. Where is your attention now? Just bring it back to the present. Focus once again on your breath and do your best to quiet your mind. You're doing great. So just once again, continue to relax, to let those thoughts drift away, to come back to your breathing, to the silence. Once again, where is your mind now? Is it peaceful, relaxed? If not, you can return there right now. One more time, come back to the present moment. Come back to your breath. Just release any mental activity you might have. Everything you need to do and think today will be waiting for you when this session is over. But for right now, one final time, just let it go. All right. Great job. Take a deep breath as we bring this session to a close. I truly hope you felt these prompts were helpful and that they served you in just taming that overly active mind that we all have at various times. Like I said before, come back to this recording as often as it serves you. And if you'd like, you could skip the introduction and go right to where the meditation begins. Thanks so much for listening. I hope we connect again soon. This is Bob Baker of BobBakerInspiration.com. Have a great day. So long for now.